Welcome guys in a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to implement ads in your game just like this. So you're just gonna have a banner ad, and when you click the button you're gonna have an interstitial ad. So you're just gonna need to go to the file and build settings. Before just let's shut down this and file build settings, and you're just gonna need to switch platform to Android. If you don't have the platform, you just need to download. You're gonna have the here download template for Android, and you need also to download Android Studio from Google. And you just need to go to edit and project settings, and you're gonna have to go to services and ads, and you just need to enable the ads. And here you're gonna have a game ID, and when you're just gonna need to copy the game ID. If you want to go to Android, copy the game ID of Android, and if you want iOS, you just need to copy the iOS one. I forgot to tell you, but if you want to the ad script, you just need to go to the link in the description on Mediafire. You just need to download for 2.29 kilobyte. It's just a little file about the script, and you're just gonna have all the script for the banner and for the skippable and for the rewarded ad. So we're just gonna go to the canvas, and we're just gonna need three scripts of the ads: skippable, banner, and rewarded. For the rewarded ad, if you want a full video about when the player watch the rewarded ad, you give him something maybe in the future. And for the skippable ad, you just need to add the game ID. You just copy it from Android, and also for the banner ad you just need to go to button. So let's delete this and just add another thing. For the object, we're just gonna need to have a canvas, and for the function we're just gonna go to add skippable, and you're just going to do show interstitial ad. And so this is it. And if you run the game, you're just going to have a test ad, not real ads, because this is just the editor. And also in the editor, it's preferred to just enable the test mode. And if you're just going to export your game for the Android or iOS, just disable it to show ads. If you didn't disable it, you're just going to have test mode ad. So this is the video. I hope you liked the video, and you're going to subscribe and like it and share it with your friends that want to learn about making ads in the Unity. So good luck to another video.